It's finally time to start working on our movie application. But first we'll have to clean up our project. We have some leftover components that we don't need anymore. So let's remove this about here. And let's also remove this from router here also. We also won't need this hello world component. We can safely remove this one as well. And also inside our home component, let's remove this hello world. I will also remove this logo and also remove it from assets. I also briefly want to mention how we are going to continue working on our application. So here in styles folder, I have already prepared all the styles that we are going to use in our project, in our components, so we can just copy paste this code so we don't lose any time actually writing CSS on the spot.